Welcome parents and guardians to the new learning management system for Fort Wayne Community Schools. We are transitioning from PowerSchool Learning to Schoology. The company PowerSchool acquired Schoology, and now we are making the transition to Schoology. We will be using Schoology in much the same way as we did PowerSchool Learning. Teachers will have a course page to upload any content and resources for your child to use. Once you are inside one of your child's courses, you will notice that the layout is very similar. Instead of pages on the left, you will now see folders down the middle. Many of the folders will have the same names as the pages that were over in PowerSchool Learning. We still have a parent-guardian page for helpful resources. There's the class information on how to get a hold of your child's teacher, and then as well, we have all of their work here. In our new learning management system, under your child's name on the right side, you can now see any upcoming schoolwork or any work that they have turned in late or have not turned in at all.